Hello, this is a quick little tutorial on submitting your Google Doc links via Blackboard. If you've had submission, bottom line is this: I need you to submit the links to the Google Docs in the assignment in Blackboard for two reasons. One, I can find them a little quicker as opposed to having to open up everybody's individual folder. Two, then I will know you're done. If we don't do it this way, then I might look at something that might not be done. I'd rather kind of look at it when it's done and you're ready to submit it. So what you do is, I'm going to open up this assignment, Causal Essay Prep Section 1. You come down, it's going to say Write Submission. Click on it. Go to Google Doc. Just open one up real quick. So I've opened up this one. It just has a bunch of resources I'm using for this class. So I'm going to go up here, literally click on the link. Control C, copy it. Come back to the submission. In this box, I've clicked Write Submission, paste it, and then I would hit Submit. And that's all you need to do. So if you can get in the habit of starting to do that, that'd be awesome. Many of you are. Some aren't, so we'll make sure we understand how to do it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Wardy is out.